I fooled you.
Guess it's not shoes.
Something else. Who is this from? Who is this from?
Wow.
Might need a little help from Grandpa with that. Other way, other way. There you go. You gotta open it the other way. Turn it around.
What is it? Ooh, I gotta get it. I gotta get it.
Well, don't stab it.
Where is it? That will work. That will work. Where's it now? Lizards! Oh my god! Sticky lizards! Oh, they're mostly sticky. A lot! Oh my god! It's a lot! I love all of them! I love all these lizards!
That's not even the real present.
What's the other thing?
Ooh! And there's frogs in it? It's a lot!
It's like another present within a present.
That is silly.
Let's see what it is.
Ooh!
We'll put the lizards in the box.
Yeah, put the lizards in the box so you don't lose them.
Okay, that's a lot. There's frogs in it too.
They are sticky, aren't they? I'm going to put your number, your candle in it too. Wow, another present. It never ends.
Christmas cards.
Another box.
Oh my gosh.
This must be a nice card.
From what?
I don't know.
Careful.
Here, careful.
Okay.
Got it? Let me help
Careful.
you. No.
Don't bend it. Careful.
7. Uh-oh. What was that?
You gotta get them. You lost them.
Tickets to the show. Ice.
They're tickets to the circus.
The circus.
Where you going tomorrow?
The circus.
We're going to the circus.
Did you see front row?
Oh my lord.
3 tickets.
Who's going?
Oh, I think because there's 3. Oh my gosh, now it's a big mess.
What a nice present. What do you say?
You